Keep trying to fit inside the lines now.
Once again, good morning everyone, and we welcome you to the First Bicol University's first Innovation Fest with the theme Transcending Innovations for a Sustainable Society.
Divide and get to the bottom. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We're never fitting with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Would they notice if we got lost? If we disappeared? And tell me right after this rainstorm that the smoke will clear. Looking at our dreams on movie screens and magazines, don't see a reflection. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels